Hello everyone, it's Jonathan from JPQ here, and I'm just having a think about my server crashing issue, and I put a part one up, which is to just state that there was a problem on a Magento site running on Google Cloud, and it was on a server which had plenty of memory, and that memory was being used up, and basically the server would crash after 24 hours, between 24 and 48 hours. And if you monitored the memory, you could actually see it going down, and in fact I can show you that on a screen that I have here. If I just pull it down. Okay, so basically you can see on here, let's just have a quick look at top. You can see on here that this machine, and it's only temporarily got this, but it has got 40 gig of memory. The CPU averages, if you look at the top, are well within normal usage. It's running at an average of 1.35, and this is basically a server that has about 6 CPUs on it. So really it wouldn't be maxed out until the load average got to 6. So it's running at sort of, less than 20% of its CPU capacity. And then in terms of available memory here, we've got free memory. We're roughly, it's saying basically it's using about 3 gig. Sorry, I was just interrupted by the phone there. So yes, so you can see that actually the memory at the moment, this load's free. It's using about 3 gig. It's got 34.5 gig free, and it's 40. The totals are there. So it's all looking okay right now. But what's happening is over, every hour as you come back, this amount goes down, which is the available memory, I think, in swap. And then this amount, which is the free memory, this all just goes down. So my first instincts were that this was a MySQL memory leak. And so I started looking at that, and I started running the MySQL tuner, and it gave me some recommendations on certain variables that should be changed, which I followed, but it hasn't solved the problem. Now, I just all of a sudden thought, do you know what? I don't think this is necessarily a MySQL issue. So, and the reason for that is that I restarted MySQL just as the service on its own, and it didn't free up that much memory. I also restarted Apache, and that didn't free up much memory. When I restarted php-fpm, that did give us all the memory back. So it looks like it is PHP that's causing the problem. So that's my next line of inquiry. I'm going to start looking into what PHP scripts might be leaking memory and what we can actually do about it. So this is part 2 of the investigation. And my new lead is PHP rather than MySQL causing the memory leak. And I will give you a part 3 soon. So goodbye for now.